Salted chives. Ayan guys, maggisa tayo ng chives. Ayan guys. So ayan guys, magpainit tayo ng kawali at maglagay tayo ng mantika. Maggisa tayo dito ng bawang. At isunod natin ang ating sibuyas. So ating ganyan, igisa-gisa lang po natin at isunod natin tong chicken wings na tinanggalan ko ng buto at minarinate natin sa oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, sugar, oyster sauce, at seasoning, and then paminta. And guys, igisa lang natin at i-add na natin yung ating chives. At maroon ditong carrots. Ayan guys, and then igisa lang po natin ito. Ayan, halo-haloin lang po natin. At yung chives po pala ay napakuluan na po natin yan. At yung ating carrots. Ayan guys. So ito na po yun, ang ating ulams. Ito guys, ay hindi na tayo dito mag-a-add ng kahit anong seasoning. Ayan guys. Ang nilagay ko lang po dito ay yung cornstarch. Ayan guys. Malasa na po kasi yung na-marinate na manok. Mahalo na po yun sa gulay. Ayan guys. Ready to eat na po. And then, kain na. I hope you like this video. Please give me thumbs up, like, share, and comment down below. Miss Ayusin Mo here. Thanks for watching. Papalo naman din po. God bless everyone. Thank you. Ganun lang po kasimple ang pag-isa ng chives. Thanks for watching and God bless. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Miss Ayusin Mo here.